Welcome to Review Academy. Today we will discuss 5 best door security bars products. We will review the products which are Amazon best-selling. There are many products available to choose from door security bars, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best door security bars from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. MSIC Global Securidor Heavy Duty Security Door Bar. Engender peace of mind with a security bar that can hold back over 3,000 pounds. This Securidor bar has a one-handed installation for use on hinged doors. Slide the yoke under the doorknob and position the bar at an angle of about 25 degrees on a 36-inch high doorknob, that's about 15 inches from the door. The handle rotates and provides pressure to hold the door in place. If needed, alter the height of the bar with the adjustment collar by inserting the pin and moving the inner tube to the correct position. The bar adjusts to work with doorknobs between 34 and 48 inches high. The positive side of this product: it withstands 3,000 pounds of pressure. Easy to install and remove. Built-in adjustment collar. Suitable for carpet, tile, hardwood, concrete, and vinyl flooring. The negative side of this product: bulkier and heavier than other door security bars. Number 2. Master Lock 20-gauge dual-function door security bar. Additional home security can be affordable. This well-priced security bar from Master Lock can secure both hinged doors and sliding doors. The bar adjusts between 30.5 and 45 inches for hinged doors, and it adjusts between 27.5 and 42 inches for use with sliding doors. To prevent forced entry on a hinged door, set the bar to the correct height, place the padded base at about 15 to 18 inches from the door, place the yoke under the handle, and slide the bottom toward the door until the bar is snug. For a sliding door, remove the pin holding the yoke in place, position the bar along the bottom of the door, and adjust the length accordingly, making sure the silver button pops up into the correct hole. The positive side of this product: suitable for hinged or sliding doors. The padded base is built in. Easy to install and remove. The negative side of this product: the doorknob bracket angle is not adjustable. Number 3. Ideal Security Patio Door Bar with Antilift Lock. Anyone looking for a versatile way to secure a sliding patio door should look into this model from Ideal Security. The aluminum bar's design means that there's no need to bend down to remove the device when going in and out, and it provides security even if the door is partially open to allow fresh air inside. It also includes a child-proof lock to keep little ones safe. The bar adjusts between 25.75 and 47.5 inches, and it installs with screws in the middle of the door instead of at the bottom. Because the bar is mounted to the door frame with screws, it cannot be jarred out of place. The positive side of this product: child-proof design. Easy to install, adjust, or remove. Affordable price point. The negative side of this product: not recommended for windows. Number 4. SecurityMan Security Bar 2 Adjustable Door Security Bar. To add security at multiple entrances or windows, consider the SecurityMan model, which works on hinged doors, sliding doors, and windows. It can adjust between 22.25 inches and 43.7 inches for a hinged door. For a sliding door or window, it can adapt to between 22.25 inches and 39.5 inches. It has 15 notched holes for adjustability. The bar comes with interchangeable caps depending on the application. For hinged doors, the caps have one end that fits under the door handle and one end that has an adjustable angled rubber bottom that assures complete contact, plus a non-slip grip that won't scratch the floor. The positive side of this product: works on doors or windows, suitable for hinged and sliding doors. 15 notched holes included. Interchangeable caps built in. Adjustable angled rubber bottom. The negative side of this product: the fixed angle at the doorknob bracket and foot. Number 5. Doorcade Standard 38-inch Door Bar. This horizontal security bar from Doorcade provides a high-strength barrier to home invasion, without introducing a potential trip hazard into the room. Instead of propping a removable brace diagonally between the doorknob and the floor, this system mounts flush against the entire width of the door. The solid aluminum bar locks into heavy-duty mounting brackets on the doorframe. It is tamper-proof from the exterior, made of rugged materials, and is easy to install. To install this door arcade model, first, mount the paintable hinge brackets at the desired height inside the door jamb. Then install via the 3-inch screws, which are long enough to reach the wall studs on both sides of the door. The positive side of this product. Hardware mounts to the existing door frame. Cable locks included. Spacer included. Tamper-proof construction. The negative side of this product. Requires permanently installed hardware. Unsightly installation brackets. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as they will make your life much easier. Thank you for watching this video.